If your grill grates are dirty, a deep cleaning will not only increase the flavor of your food, but also prolong the life of your grill. Eater Cleaner Degreaser is the perfect choice to clean baked-on soils. This non-toxic formula will have your grill grates looking and functioning like new. It's powerful, easy to use, and biodegradable. Here's what you'll need to get the job done: a nylon grill brush, soaking tray, garden hose, shop towel, canola oil, and Eater Cleaner Degreaser. Here's what to do. First, if your grill grates have lots of baked-on grease, turn the heat on high and let it burn for 10 minutes. Using a grill brush, clean any heavy residue off the hot grates. Then, turn off the grill and let it cool down. Make sure the grill is completely cool before you begin cleaning. Next, remove the grates and place them in a watertight tray. Add water until the grates are covered, and then add Eater Cleaner Degreaser at a ratio of 10 to 1. Allow the grates to soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Scrub the grates with a grill brush to remove all the greasy residue. Use a garden hose to thoroughly rinse the grill grates. Next, wipe them dry with a shop towel. If they're stainless steel or iron, it's important to coat them with canola oil to prevent rusting. Eater offers a wide variety of products to tackle your toughest household and commercial cleaning challenges. Head to oileater.com for more cleaning tips.
Eater. Hungry to clean.